Biology, Part 43. Carnivores chasing a mobile prey would be at a disadvantage, weighted down with food, and therefore tend to eat occasional large meals followed by periods of inactivity during which digestion takes place. Teeth, skull, and digestion in a herbivore. Herbivores experience different problems from carnivores in collecting and digesting food. The teeth and skull of a cow illustrate the characteristic herbivore pattern. At the front of the mouth, the incisors and the incisor-like canines of the lower jaw bite against the horny pad on the surface of the upper jaw, and assisted by the tongue, mouthfuls of grass are ripped off. Further back in the mouth, separated from the front teeth by a space called diastema, lies battery of premolar and molar grinding teeth. These have a very specialized structure to cope with the difficult diet. As illustrated in the figure, the herbivore's teeth are high-crowned and have open roots providing a rich blood supply so that they continue to grow throughout the life. During development, the outer surface of the tooth is covered with cement, which wears away the grinding surface. Continued abrasion exposes ridges of enamel, separated slightly softer region of dentine. The ridges of the adjacent teeth run from the front to the back. To the back of the mouth, so that sideways movements of the jaws produce an effect of grinding action. The alternate arrangement of harder and softer regions gives a pattern of uneven wear, which maintains a good grinding surface throughout the life of an animal. The main muscles closing jaws are the medial pterygoid muscles and masseter muscles located in the cheeks. Both groups of muscles are inserted over a large area of the lower jaw and have a good leverage compared with the smaller temporalis muscles. As explained earlier, the medial pterygoid muscles are attached to the inside surface of the lower jaw and are the major muscles involved in producing side-to-side motion. The jaw joint is very loose. Viewed from the front, the lower jaw moves in a circular path, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, so that the horizontal surfaces of the teeth grind against each other. This grinding action reduces the vegetation to cellular fragments, releasing the cell contents and breaking up cellulose cells walls into small pieces. The diastema allows food materials to be transferred by the tongue into the spaces under the cheeks, ready to be acted on by the teeth. The mastication is the most important role by the teeth in herbivores, for without it, the adequate chemical digestion of the food is impossible. The chemical digestion of cellulose in the alimentary canal of herbivores is a remarkable achievement. As described, cellulose is a complex carbohydrate consisting of glucose units linked glycosides linkage. The linkages are quite different in shape compared with the linkages in starch, and glycogen cannot be broken down by the same enzymes. Thus, although cows and other herbivores produce amylase enzymes, they are quite useless as a means of digesting cellulose.